Good morning. So we are on day 6. It is Saturday, May 24th. It's 9:48 a.m. So for breakfast, ignore the mess on my desk. I'm trying to get into this routine really good. We have tomato and sweet basil soup, water, of course, and that's it. Honestly, it's it. I am ready to be productive. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, so we're gonna pretty much do the same thing we've been doing all week: water, fitness, reading, progress picture, which I have not done. I forgot about the progress picture. Thank you for reminding me. So that is what we're doing today. We're going to also attempt to get some writing in because this book is moving at a snail's pace, but we got this. So let's get started.
Get like a blank can. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the stickers, but I think that's where I'm gonna put it. I don't want to put anything up like probably having food in my freezer or my refrigerator. I just don't want it to go bad. You know, I have this hummus, and I hope it's not bad, but it was there overnight. But here reads. So at nighttime, if I have any kind of meats or any foods or stuff like this, I'll just go in here. I mean, I'll watch it.
Okay, so I finished my yoga a little while ago, but it's 1:05. I wanted to like straighten up a bit, put new sheets on the bed. Yeah, so we're gonna read. I got my water's almost done, so I'm gonna hit my 2:30 mark. Yeah, so did some cleaning and I feel good. I feel really good. The stretches were easier yet harder today, but hey, right? So I'm gonna try to get some writing done. I'm not sure what time we're going for the walk, but we will go. And that's all for now. Let's read.
With the amount of snow that just falls all day, every day, I can imagine homeowners here in Norway literally have to clear their driveways multiple times a day, or it would just be really hectic. A lot of snow out, but for how long it's been snowing and how much, they've been doing a good job of keeping it at a safe depth, I guess. I don't know how to say it. They've just been doing a good job of keeping the snow so clear that it's safe to drive on, even though there's still a lot of snow on the road. I mean, you can't. I left somewhere at the perfect time. In the bar area, plates, knives, forks, spoons, all kinds of stuff, seasonings, anything you want. Sauces, hot sauce, balsamic, places dinner. It's nice. I see a lot of people here are outside running. I saw women out right, so we're gonna. That's why I said I'm gonna attempt to do it. Hopefully I can make it. But the weather's insane. There's really no perfect time to go. Not here. It's snow. Okay, he says the air pump is right around the corner if I know how to operate it. I don't know how to use something called Google Translate, so I'm gonna put it and see what it says. Because I can't get gas. I don't know what this is saying.
It's a beautiful day. Look at this. So beautiful. And the winds are so calming. Y'all see the dragonfly? Look at it. Beautiful. bird. Alright, so I think this is where we stopped today. I'm doing pretty good. Oh, it's such a pretty cardinal. Wait, can I get it? Oh no. Well, yeah, it was such a pretty cardinal. I think it was a cardinal. I don't know. It was red. But really pretty. I saw a bluebird at the start of my walk and then blue butterflies. It's a nice day. I'm really tired, so there's that. But I think, oh, and I saw a dragonfly. You probably saw it. But that's it for today, really, you know. I think I'm on my second half a gallon of water, and I'm gonna stick to my diet. I already did all the workouts. I saw 2 cats, but they were on somebody's porch. I didn't want to, you know, yeah. And what else is there? I don't know, really. Like, I don't have too many thoughts today. And I'm happy that you guys stuck through this with me. It's a really nice walk. I enjoyed walking today. Saw a lot of pretty things, a lot of blue things. Blue dragonfly, blue butterflies. Couldn't get the blue butterflies though. But I'm starting to get used to this. It still feels awkward, especially when people are around. Learning how to deal with that. I really want to know about if these are pawpaws or not. Like, I really want to know. Either way, now I'm saying nothing. So, if you stuck around this long for this video, you know the drill. There's going to be a thing. And I think for today, if you stuck around to the end, comment blue honeysuckle. Blue honeysuckle in the comments. And just let me know how you feel about today, what you like seeing, what you want to see more of, all that good stuff. If you like it, like it. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. I enjoy the company on these walks. And yeah, look how beautiful this is. I don't know, can you see it? I'm kind of short. It's beautiful. I love it. And this is the end of day 6 of 75 hard. If you're doing it with me, keep going. We got this. Bye. Bro, my worst fear. Do you see that? I don't even think you saw it. It was a snake. And I was walking over there the other day. Oh my God, I lost sight of it. All the birds are out. Oh my God, that's crazy. Okay, I know I ended the video, but look what I just found. I can't believe I found it. Like, I'm so happy I found it. I didn't even see it yesterday. But I found my little chickie. So that's exciting. Yeah, I don't know. I know I ended the video, but that snake, I don't know if you saw it. I don't really do snakes. It was like sunbathing when I came over. It had its neck up and everything. Them things is fast. And it's crazy because I walked over there in Crocs literally yesterday. Or was it the day before? Whatever day it was. And I'm just like, I don't do snakes. Like, I have like a weird fascination and fear of them. But like, oh man, that's crazy. That's crazy for real. But it's all good. It stayed over there. It must have saw me looking at it. I tried to show y'all on the video. I don't know if I was successful at all, but all right. Officially, we're out on day 6. Goodbye.